Hey, this is Andrew Jensen, and this is going to be my presentation about Audacity. Audacity is a open source audio recording, editing, and exporting software. And open source essentially means that it is free for anybody to use, as well as the code is completely open to the public and freely editable and viewable. It is compatible with most major operating systems like, as it says, Windows, Mac, OS, and Linux. However, it is a more technical audio editing software with a lot of high quality mechanics and very deep, intricate systems. But it is very good at, even if you just want to use it for recording audio. For classroom integration, there are a few uses, namely sharing audio with other people through the export function, and also obviously the recording of the audio. So for example, if there is an assignment such as, you don't need necessarily slides or a video or anything to accompany the audio, you just need the pure audio itself. For example, if you're trying to have an assignment such as having the students record their voices, giving a lecture on something, like for a public speaking class or something. It's also useful for editing and touching up audio. For example, if the audio is rough, it sounds bad, stuff like that. However, there are some more niche cases for certain classes, such as production or music. In those classes, since it is a much more technical software, it is very useful for more high-end production that you would be learning in those classes, and even for music, as you can do audio mixing between several different sources. If you want to learn more about Audacity, they have a blog talking about various topics that is involved with the Audacity software, such as update notices, different milestones that the app has had, several other things. They also have a bunch of social media pages for it, such as like a YouTube, a Twitter/X, and a GitHub page, which is a social media usually used to share code and different software and hardware with other people. Well, not hardware, firmware, rather. My bad. But there's also a very helpful, friendly community that you can find all over the internet willing to help. Alright, so this is Audacity. It is a simple interface to start with. I'll show you some very basic functions. This will show your audio. You can click to enable silent monitoring so you can see this is my peak, this is my current audio levels. I'll show a few things. I'll record something. Hello there, my name is Andrew Jensen, and this is an audio recording for demonstration in Audacity. And then if you want to stop, you click the stop button or press spacebar. And you can now go back, review your audio. You can click play. Hello there, my name is Andrew. It'll play the audio. Hello there, my name is Andrew Jensen. And if you want to loop it, you can press L on your keyboard or press the enable looping button. If you're trying to select a specific thing, you'll select that. Like, let's say I want to get rid of that. I'll select the area, backspace, gets rid of it. There are a few other tools like this magnifying tool. There is this silence audio section. So if you don't want to delete it altogether, but you just want to silence it, there is the envelope tool, which helps you change the volume throughout different parts. There is the flat audio increase, up or down, for if it's too quiet or too loud. And then you can also move it to the right or left headphone if it's in stereo setting, or you can select for it to have it be in solo. Now, if you're trying to just export this, let's say I haven't finished on it, you will want to save it. So you'll save it as a project, which will be an Audacity project, which will just save it for later use in Audacity. However, I'm going to export it, which will save it as an audio file in many different formats. I'll just do it as untitled.wave. So you click export, and then it should save to your computer at the destination that you have designated.